dry, shriveled up curls, a twist, and a nice stretch.
Sit!
Don't shrink!
Huh?
Hey!
Are you going to the interview too?
Yeah, sorry girl. I'm just trying to get these Aunt Jackie products down to a T.
Go, girlfriend. But I thought they were going to go over everything in the presentation.
They are, but I always want to say curly and coily, if you know what I mean.
Where have I heard that from?
Hi! Welcome to the Aunt Jackie's Curl Consultation Center, where we here vow to our dear big sister Aunt Jackie to always remain curly and coily.
Is your name Dela?
No! Please sign in and have a seat. Mr. Harry Combs will be with you momentarily.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Mr. Harry Combs, and I am the temporary assistant curl manager here at Aunt Jackie's Curl Consultation Call Center, where we vow to our big sister Aunt Jackie to always remain curly and coily. Anywho, let's get curly. This is a group interview, so whoever raises their comb first will be able to answer. Let's begin. If I were a curl friend, which I am, which products would I use for washing up?
A good shampoo and conditioner.
That's cute. Anyone else?
A real curl friend would know to use the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser with the Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner and a little bit of Curl Boss Curling Jelly.
Oh, I see someone came prepared for their curl call consultation. Great job, Curl Boss. I use those same products too. Well, if you didn't get a chance to participate during the first round of interviews, please don't switch your curls out. You'll have plenty of time to brush up on your Aunt Jackie's information during the break. Greetings, ladies and gentle curls. Welcome back to the Aunt Jackie's Curl Consultation Call Center. For the second part of the interview, I will be conducting a curl friend terminology quiz. First question. I give dry, shriveled up curls and twists a nice...
Don't shrink! Don't shrink!
How did you know that?
I told you, you always have to remain curly and coily.
My girl swears she worked here already. Next question. Who can name 3 Aunt Jackie's product collections? The clock starts now.
Mr. Harry Combs, is it the Flaxseed Collection, Curls and Coils, and
Girl, time is ticking.
Coconut Cream?
Okay. You curly Sues are smarter than I thought. Looks like y'all might be ready for the final challenge. Let's just say, smells delish.